Welcome back to another D&T video. Tanner's a British guard, and I'm going to try to make him flinch. I'll start out with making him flinch by doing a freaking lip. Oh, they're trying to work against slaves, you know that? You know that? You know that? You knew that. Alright. Next will be machine gun. Mayday! 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 Next we'll try a little bit of arrow roulette, baby. Yeah! One more for the kids. One more attempt. He's a rough one. He is a rough one. How about I go swing, fly a little samurai, make you flinch. That thing right beside your neck. Scare you, baby? Scare you? My ninja skills will scare anyone in this courts. Yeah. One more freaking drop. This will get him for sure. Banjo! Banjo!
Achoo! 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 Whew. Didn't do nothing. You tell the queen that.